Your house can smell expensive in under 5 minutes if you pick the right diffuser. Intro. In today's video, we're counting down the best home fragrance diffusers on Amazon from number 5 to number 1 based on real, day-to-day use. How they smell in a normal-sized room, how annoying they are to maintain, and whether they actually fit into your life instead of becoming another gadget you ignore after a week. Number 5. Wick Essential Mist Starter Kit. This one is the easiest plug-and-play option if you don't want to think about water levels, measuring cups, or cleaning a tank, because it's a battery-operated, cordless diffuser that uses an oil refill system instead of a water reservoir. In my kitchen and entryway, it was great for that quick first impression. You walk in, you get a clean, noticeable scent cloud, and it feels like the house is already put together. What I liked most is the set-it-and-forget-it schedule. It runs for an 8-hour cycle and then goes into a 16-hour standby, so you're not smelling it all night unless your schedule lines up that way. It also gives 3 intensity settings, which mattered more than I expected. Low worked fine for smaller rooms, while high made my hallway smell like I'd just finished cleaning. Now for the part that made me a little critical. The scent is tied to proprietary refills, so the nice smell comes with being locked into a refill ecosystem instead of using any essential oil you already own. And while the refills can last up to 45 days on the lowest setting, that's not the same as strong for 45 days, because in real life, the punchiest performance felt front-loaded, especially if you run medium or high. Another small annoyance, because it's misting on an intermittent schedule, you'll sometimes notice it's quiet and doing nothing, then it suddenly bursts fragrance again. Number 4. Jack & Rose Essential Oil Diffuser for Home. The Jack & Rose is more like the classic spa diffuser people picture. A larger, ultrasonic-style essential oil diffuser meant to cover a bigger space, with timer options and color lighting. I placed it in a medium to large living room, and it did a solid job of distributing scent evenly, especially when paired with brighter oils like citrus or eucalyptus. The big win here is the larger tank concept and the timed runtime. Having multiple timer choices, like 1, 3, or 6 hours, made it easier to run it intentionally, for guests, for relaxing evenings, for reset the air moments, instead of leaving it on and forgetting it. I also appreciated the vibe factor. The shifting colors make the room feel softer at night, and it's nice to have that option when you want the diffuser to double as a little ambient lamp. For bedrooms, I found that keeping the light subtle and running a lighter oil blend helped it feel cozy rather than perfumey. But here's where it lands at number 4 instead of higher. It feels like a good value diffuser, not a premium one, and that shows up in the overall experience. The mist output was fine, but not as consistent as the top picks when the waterline got lower. And it's the type of diffuser that nudges you into regular cleaning if you don't want leftover oil notes mixing into the next scent. 3. ASAKUKI Essential Oil Diffuser. ASAKUKI has built a reputation around that 5-in-1 style diffuser experience, ultrasonic aroma diffusion, plus timer functions, lighting, and an auto shut-off safety switch, so it's designed to be an everyday unit, not a novelty item. In my testing, it was the first diffuser on this list that consistently felt reliable. Fill it, add your oil, pick a mode, and it behaves the same way every time. The 500 milliliter class capacity is the sweet spot for most homes because it can handle longer sessions without constant refills, and it's still compact enough to sit on a shelf or nightstand without looking like a humidifier from an office lobby. I used it during work blocks and also at night, and the experience was steady, especially on a lower mist output where the scent stays present but not overpowering. The lighting is also practical here, not just decorative. When I wanted a calmer atmosphere, I'd keep a single color on. When I wanted it purely functional, I'd shut the light off and just let the diffuser do its job. What pushed it above number 4 is how normal it feels to own. It doesn't demand special refills, it doesn't require you to learn a weird schedule, and it's flexible across oil brands and scent moods. If you're the kind of person who likes to experiment, lavender one day, lemon the next. This kind of diffuser suits that lifestyle. 2. Airversa Waterless Diffuser. Airversa takes a totally different approach. It's waterless and converts essential oils into a nano mist, so you get a more direct fragrance experience without diluting oils in a tank. The first time I used it, the difference was immediate. The scent felt cleaner and more true to the oil, and it filled my office faster than water-based diffusers usually do. It's also built for real-life portability, cordless operation, USB-C charging, and up to 48 hours of use on a single charge depending on settings. I tested it in a bedroom, then moved it to a bathroom, then even tried it on a desk during a workday, and the fact that it fits cup holders makes it feel like a legit take-it-anywhere diffuser, not a stationary home appliance. Control-wise, it gives 3 mist intensity levels and 4 timer options, 1H, 3H, 6H, and continuous. I found the timer modes especially useful because waterless diffusion can be powerful, so being able to set it to run and then stop helps prevent nose fatigue, where you stop noticing the scent, or worse, you start feeling like it's too much. There's also thoughtful engineering like spill protection, which matters because essential oils are not something you want leaking onto wood furniture or into a bag. And compatibility with common bottle sizes, 5 milliliters to 20 milliliters, made it easy to swap oils without funnels or droppers. 1. Aroma Diffuser. The HJTHJT takes the everything you want in one diffuser idea and actually executes it well. A 500 milliliter water tank, remote control, multiple mist modes, LED lighting options, timer settings, and automatic shutoff for safety. In daily use, the biggest difference wasn't just the scent, it was how easy it was to keep using it because the remote made it effortless to adjust from bed or the couch. Performance-wise, it offers 2 mist outputs, low and high, so you can match the diffuser to the room and the vibe. I ran low mist in the bedroom to keep things subtle, and high mist when I wanted the living room to smell like a hotel lobby before guests arrived. The timer options, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or continuous on, made it feel customizable without being complicated. The lighting is also more versatile than most. It has 14 LED color options, and you can cycle colors or lock in a single color, and importantly, the mist and light can run independently. That sounds minor until you're trying to sleep and you want the diffuser running, but absolutely don't want a glowing lamp effect in the corner. In terms of living with it, the auto shutoff behavior is exactly what makes it number 1 for a home. You can run it and not worry about it if the water gets low or if the timer ends. It also runs quietly. The manual lists under 25 dB, and that quietness is what makes it feel like part of your environment instead of another noisy device you tolerate. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.